In this video, we're going to learn about line graphs. So if we have a problem like this one that says, Miss Heather's class discussed how many pencils the students have. How many students have fewer than 4 pencils? So don't worry, I'm going to break this down and it'll be very clear once we're done. So step 1, understand what each X means. Each X represents the number of pencils each student has. So this student has 5 pencils. So does this one. So does this one. This student has 4 pencils. And so does this one. And so on. Then the next step is to focus on the area of the graph that shows 0 to 3 number of pencils. So that part of the graph would be this one, because we want to know how many students have less than 4 pencils. So this student has 0, these ones have 1, these ones have 2, these ones have 3. And that's what we want to focus on because we need to figure out how many students have fewer than 4 pencils. So the next step is to count the number of X's for that area. And we just have to count these. So then we'll know how many students have less than 4 pencils. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's 17 students that have less than 4 pencils. So let's write that in. That's the answer to this problem. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You're probably just one explanation away from getting it. Anyone can do math. And if you need more resources, if you look in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that are like this. Thank you so much for watching.